How to scan questions using QANDA camera. First of all, open the app and make sure you are logged in. Next, tap on the camera icon usually located at the bottom of the screen to access the question scanning feature. Now position your device camera over the question you want to scan, making sure the entire question is clearly visible in the frame. Tap the capture or scan button to take a photo of the question. The app will automatically process the image and recognize the text or math problem from the photo. After scanning, the app will provide step-by-step solution, explanation, or relevant answers based on the type of question. You can also edit the captured area if part of the question was missed or unclear to improve accuracy. Once done, you can save the scanned question or start scanning another one to continue learning efficiently. Now you know how to scan questions using camera. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more study tips.